It has come to that time to trim my goddamn hair. So we're going to be flat ironing my hair, and then I'm going to be trimming it because for some reason every time I book an appointment I just end up not being able to go. So I figured I would just do my hair a favor and still get it cut, except I'm just going to do it myself. However, I'm not going to be doing a really in-depth haircut. I'm going to be doing a trim, a dusting if you will. However, some of my ends were super obvious where it definitely needs to come off. That's what I'm going to be taking off. But you know, we're not going to go crazy. I'm just going to show you guys how I trim it, kind of give you some direction on maybe what to do or maybe what not to do depending on how this goes, because I haven't trimmed my own hair in a very long time. So yes, I'm just gonna start flat ironing this and then we can get started on trimming. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amore Love. So if you like what you see in today's video, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can know when I upload again without having to search my name. It'll just pop up in your descriptions. Also, I do post notification shout outs. So if you want a post notification shout out, the way they work over here is you'll hit the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll take a screenshot of it and you'll send me a message on Instagram, and then you don't even have to follow me or anything. Just show me that a screenshot that you have my post notifications on and that you're subscribed. And then if you're chosen as a shout out, then I'm going to FaceTime you. You could put in video requests. You could just be nosy and see what's going on with my day. We could just chop it up. We could literally just say hi and bye, whatever you want. Literally doesn't matter. I'm just gonna FaceTime you and we can see what happens. Now, today's post notification shout out was going to be a girl. However, she unsent her message. So I'm like, does she unsubscribe or does she just not want to anymore? But if you're watching this, I was going to FaceTime you, girl. Anyways, that's what you can do if you want to post notification shout out. So let's just get started. First, I'm just going to part my hair down the middle as always when I flat iron it. And it's nothing special. If you want to see how I flat iron my hair, I will link a full tutorial from start to finish of my hair just like this into a sleeky straight look. So yeah, I actually will be using the same exact flat iron that I used in that video. So if you want a really detailed, you know, video of how I flat iron my hair with like tips and tricks and stuff, then go ahead and watch that video. I'll actually leave a card to it as well, so you'll be good. Yeah, I'm just gonna straighten my hair now. So I just finished this one side and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and I'm just looking at the recording time and it literally took me 12 minutes to do one side, so 24 minutes to do my hair, flat iron it from this state. Let's not even try to count how long it takes me to shampoo and blow dry. Well, blow dry probably takes me like 10 minutes, but anywho, I'm going to finish this side. If you guys want to cop this flat iron, definitely check the link in the description below because I have no product in my hair whatsoever and my hair has a natural nice little luster. I just don't like to trim it with stuff in it like way down because I want to see like all the like split ends and like dry fried ends. So I don't like to put product in it, but this flat iron claims to make your hair very smooth and shiny naturally, and it has vibrating technology so that you don't get any creases in your hair. That's what it's supposed to help with. And I really like it, and I've only used one other flat iron that I can call my holy grail flat iron besides this one. So it's only $30 with my coupon code, so definitely get you one if you're in the market for a flat iron that actually works. and actually tries to do something good for your hair other than just fry it. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this side and I will be right back. Okay, so I am all straightened out. Now we have to trim. So this is gonna be the most basic trim ever. Like, I'm literally not about to do too much. I just am tired of looking at these ends. So yeah, we're gonna have to do something about that because let me fix my part first of all. You could tell I need my ends clipped because every time I freaking comb my hair, it just gets snagged. You know why it's getting snagged? Because the split ends look like this, so it's just like slowly grabbing onto more hairs, which causes more breakage, which causes more split ends. So you're really just doing yourself worse harm by holding onto your damaged ends. Like, seriously, that's just the truth. I'm trying to find my natural-ish parting. Not that that really matters, unless you have like a side bang or something. Okay, I guess that's it. A little off center. Okay, get my mirror right. Oh, you know what's hella funny? I don't even got my dang. Let me be right back. Okay, so we are going to continue it down the center. Oh, you know what I need to do? A thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's not going to be hella in-depth. It's not going to be like super educational. I'm just trying to get the dead end off my hair while also showing you guys what I'm doing. So yeah. I don't want stair steps in my hair, so I'm not gonna do like a lot. I don't know what I was saying. Oh, I'm not gonna go like I'm not gonna go like this and then like that and then like that. Basically what I like to do is, like, for instance, if I take all of this away from the top and basically see all of this down here, I can see like what's uneven. Like, all of this stuff needs to go. You can't even really see, huh? Okay. So basically, sorry, my shit's in the way. You see how like all of this is like, you know, sparse at the ends? It basically just starts to get like thin. I like to just keep it out like this and like trim down, but like I'm not going like this, like I'm not chopping it off. I'm just like lightly feather combing it, like feather cutting it, I guess. I don't know. So it's kind of gonna look like you didn't get a haircut, except your hair is just gonna look more healthy. I'm trying to see how that makes sense in my head, but it makes sense, trust me. So I'm not gonna just go like this. I'm literally just going to lightly see how it's just like evening out those ends. And then if you know for sure you got hella split ends like all up and through this, very carefully like point cut, or take your time and just look at what needs to come off. Like sometimes there's stuff that look like freaking tree branches up in here. Like it's just all types of split. But yeah, basically you put it in your fingers and then you can just fan it out, and whatever needs to be off, you can just take it on off. You don't want split ends, because when you do, you see how it's like, it's stuff gone, but like judging by this side, there's a difference. It's just not like, oh snap, like I just chopped my hair, you know? So I'm just gonna keep doing that. That looks way better though, like absolutely, definitely looks way better. So I'm gonna do that to this bottom half as well, over here. It's kind of hard to do this side, but how can I do this? Yes. So all those sparse ends, I'm going to just kind of just go with the flow that way. And you can really see, like, if your ends are bad like mine are, you can definitely see what needs to come off. So yes, I could take off more, but it's like, you don't really need to. It doesn't really look like you got a cut. However, your hair overall just looks a lot more healthier. That's my favorite technique to do when I'm trimming my hair, because it's like, did I just cut it? It looks and feels better though, but I can't tell if I cut anything. Okay, so yeah, fan it out and look all up and through it. Like this one is a whole tree branch, so specifically you about to get cut, you know? It's like fake friends. They look good, they, you know, seem like they're there for you and all, and it looks all nice on the surface, but then when you really look up close and you see how fake they are, they ain't really doing nothing but holding you down. So you know what you got to do with fake friends, right? You got to cut them off. So that's what we're about to do. I'm going to just do the top now. The top is going to be kind of similar, but now I'm just going to do it like vertical, because I don't want this whole top part to just be separated. So what I do is I'm gonna go up. Y'all can't see it, but I'm basically doing this all the way up, and then I'll bring it back down so y'all can see it. I just need to get this angle. So I'm getting this angle, and then you see all those sparse ends right there? We do not want that. And if you look up close, let me see. I just did a whole outro and the record button wasn't pressed. And normally when that happens to YouTubers, I'll be like, but now I kind of get it. That's like when you're talking to somebody behind you and you turn around and they're not even there. You've been talking to yourself this whole time. That's how I feel right now. Even though technically I am talking to myself, I can't believe that just happened. Let me check to see if that actually pressed record, because I'm not about to do the whole intro, outro over again if I don't have to. So give me a second. So now that we're all done, it definitely feels a lot more smoother, a lot more easier to like detangle. It's not snatching on anything anymore. So yeah. I just said a whole bunch and now I don't even know what I said, so it feels hella unnatural now. But if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching this far, and I really appreciate that. And if you want to be the next post notification shout out, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button, then hit the bell next to that. Take a screenshot and then send it to me on my Instagram. You don't have to follow me or anything, just show me that your post notifications are on, and then I'm gonna FaceTime you. And we can have a whole conversation, or you can make a video request. You can just say hi and bye, and that's it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, I wanted to give you guys a hint for the next, not the next video, but a video that will be coming up very shortly. And I was able to get my hands on this. Oh my goodness, it's happening. I got a Jackie Aina palette, and I happened to get the very last one that was in my store, and it was on my birthday, so I felt like, you know, the universe is looking out for me. So stay tuned for a Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills review. The next video will be an eyebrow tutorial, and then I'll be doing my hair and a get ready with me, and then a Pride vlog. I went to Oakland Pride and I vlogged a little bit, so I'll show you guys some of that. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye. I can't believe that whole intro didn't even record. I'm so annoyed. But I'll see y'all next time. Bye.